Alright, so we did the cube solver project. On this one I was a designer.
I was a designer programmer.
Designer.
I was a designer, and I was the leader.
There's a few things we wanted out of this. Was we basically tried like 2 designs of our own in the very beginning and gave up within 10 minutes. And so we had a huge problem with not everybody showing up, and then one day Jae Suk took it home and took the design off online and built the one online. And so that's what we have. Big things we were looking for was making sure the platform was stable enough to handle the torque, and then we didn't have the right parts to do the online light arm, and so we had to come up with our own design for the light arm. And that was our main problem, besides how many pages of code was? 2,100 lines of code was our other problem. That's it.
As far as the original concepts, we had a real problem coming up with something that would work of our own. So, like you said, we decided to use the tilted twister, and then just try and focus on the code itself.
So, like you said, the 2 biggest problems was the code and not having the right pieces for the light boom.
So we took someone else's code that we knew would actually solve it, and then we had to try and change it to work for our robot. But it was written in like C+ language, so we had to download a different programming program and try and read through all the codes. And it's really hard to find what other people are doing in their code when you didn't write the code. And so so one of the things that went wrong is like when it rotates like to the right, it doesn't rotate a full 90 degrees. It only rotates like 5 degrees, right? So then when it tries to twist it, it doesn't twist it all the way. So then you got your cube is completely square. And so we spent a lot of time trying to find that code and changing the code, and we never did get it to work right.
Main problem we had was we were kind of lost at the beginning. We really didn't have a direction, and I think that really killed us on time overall. You know, we didn't have enough time to focus on the programming. So.
Question? Okay, let's see.
So what it's doing right now is it's reading the colors. It's displaying the colors on the screen as numbers. So each color has a number range.
That is the
Every time it comes out.
It gets hit on the Rubik's Cube every time it puts it, so it eventually knocks it off.
So now it's read every side, so it knows what all the colors are. So it should come up with a solution. Maybe. Sometimes it doesn't. No, it didn't come up with a solution.
It doesn't go that high.
Okay.
It was just about to finish.
Close.
It usually finds a solution by the same time.
Murphy's Law must have done. It would have found the solution right after you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
solve it because it never does go that far. It always has problems turning it, so who knows if we actually need to do it.
Can it spin the two things?
Yeah. If it finds a solution, it'll do that. But it's not finding a solution right now.
That's a license issue.
Sense issue or algorithm.
Okay, it's not gonna find a solution yet.
Hang on.
Hey?
So wait a little bit.
I want to see how high it goes. Yeah.
It's like you're getting quieter because I can't get any higher.
Yeah, that's not really a
Yeah,
it's just the light sensor can't read the colors unless
We
you
change,
relabel with black.
rotate the
Right.